Hello and welcome to Uncle Buck's Garage. Well, today I came home from work and I found something really cool on my doorstep. This is sent to me by DeWalt Tough Sound Pro Bluetooth speaker. Now, they just kind of sent me a note, said, check it out, try it, see if you like it. Well, let's check it out and try it, see if I like it. All right, so let's unbox this thing. Let's see what we got. All right, we have a sticker, DeWalt Solutions, which, you know, I like DeWalt. Let's see what this thing's all about. Okay. All right. She's small. She's a little bitty. Nope. Controls. I'm going to assume that's on. That's probably Bluetooth. EQ. I don't know what that is. That's that. All right, let's see. Okay. Cord. Oh, this is dual function. All right. Plug and play. That's nice. I like that. That feels like heavy duty. Yeah. I like that a lot. Which that looks like you could probably hook that on and charge that with the phone. Let's see. I'm going to guess. Yeah. Charge cord. All right. And let's see. Instrucciones. Let's see. Yep. Okay. So, first page shows right here. Okay. One is a strap. Yeah. Okay. All right. So, speaker, power button, Bluetooth, play pause button. Okay. Play plus minus for volume, EQ mode, and Auracast. I don't know what that is. Okay. Auracast. Okay, so I'm assuming this is the power button.
Power on.
Ooh. Power on. I like that. Okay. So, says something about magnetic. So I'll grab these here. Let's see. I would say, yeah, it's pretty magnetic. Okay, that's cool. That means you can pretty much stick it anywhere. It's got metal. This is stainless. That's why it's not sticking. It's not stainless. Let's try it. Boom. Hey. Okay. Up underneath the car. Ooh. You know what this be good for? My C10 doesn't have radio in it. You can just stick this to the ceiling and Bluetooth it with your phone. All right. But now my question is, how loud is it? Is it going to be louder than the exhaust on the hot rod? Well, let's see. Okay, we got power on. I'm going to have to steal this. Okay, here's the problem. Is that I got to find something that's got a long intro on it so you can hear the deal, but doesn't have no words, because that'll get me a hit from YouTube. So let me see if I can find you a song. I think I got the song. One of my favorites. All right, so. Morning. It's so loud. All right, so that's about all that song that I can play because, all right. So I don't know if you guys don't know what that song is, you need to find it. I'll put it right up there with AC/DC and all the good ones. I would. Anyways, for the usage of just being able to take this little thing and pretty much stick it anywhere and turn your radio on, set it and forget it. What's cooler than your radio sitting on top of your engine? What's cooler than that? I'm just saying, I like it. I like it a lot. So I think you guys did. Yeah. It's a no-brainer. There'll be a link down below for this one. So if you want to see my best little video ever made, right here. If you want to see the one that they say is best for you, is right there. Y'all be good.